Oh, hey, hi. I didn't see you there. Sorry, I'm just harvesting off of our money tree. That's a good one. Oh, shoot. This one wasn't quite right. Wait, you didn't know that money grows on trees? Well, you're right. It's not quite that easy, but it doesn't have to be hard either. Stick around for just a minute or so, and I'm going to tell you how you can make money with your crochet that you love so much at craft fairs. Here we go. I think it's happened to us all at one point or another. You're at your craft fair, you see other people doing well, they have customers coming, buying, and leaving happy, and we're just sitting there waiting, watching, wondering why we're not making sales. It's happened to me in the past, but it doesn't happen anymore. I have been selling for 8 years now. Started out slow. I learned over the years exactly what works with crochet to actually make sales and become the busiest booth at the fair. My name is Pam Grice. I am the Crochetpreneur, and I am on a mission to help 100,000 women find financial freedom through crochet. And this is just a part of that mission. I have developed the Mastering Craft Fairs course just for crocheters who want to learn my strategies for making tens of thousands of dollars at craft fairs every single year. Check out all the details below, and I really hope you'll join us, and I can't wait to see how your craft fairs and your income is impacted by what you learn.